With the electrification of everything, grid capacity is becoming scarce and we see grids very much congested. And with distributed energy resources scaling almost exponentially, the complexity of managing grid, planning grid, is just increasing at an enormous pace. The two things that we need to accomplish is getting more grid capacity fast, and that's a software-led approach, operating grids closer to their limits. And we just seen first statements of 20%, 30% more capacity out of the same grid, and that at a time where we need to deal with millions and millions of power plants, DERs. And the only way to handle that complexity and to operate such a critical infrastructure close to their limits is with the help of AI. Because that complexity and that operating to the limits can only be done with assisted processes, so co-pilots that help human beings planning and operating the grids. With GridScale X, we've given our vision of autonomous grid management a name. And autonomous grid management really means understanding the physical world in its physics, in its dimensions, in how the grids behave under stress, how they can be optimized. And with GridScale X, we embody that promise of moving to autonomous grid management by connecting the real and the digital whale in a very intuitive and easy to use way for our customers.